Hi friends, welcome to the online lecture series on programming in C. In this session, we are going to see how to install an integrated development environment for C programming. First, we will see what is an integrated development environment. An integrated development environment, that is IDE, is a software for building applications that combines common developer tools into a single graphical user interface. An IDE typically consists of source code editor, local builder for building executables, debugger, and other tools. In addition to the basic editing facilities, most of the source code editors provide features like syntax highlighting and autocomplete. The builder is used to compile and build the C program into an object and executable programs. Debugger allows programmers to examine different variables and inspect their code in a deliberate way. There are different IDEs available for C programming. We are going to see how to install CodeBlocks, which is one of the popular open source cross-platform integrated development environment. It is a free C, C++, and Fortran IDE designed to be very extensible and fully configurable. At the time of recording this lecture, we have the latest version 20.03. Now we will see the step-by-step procedure to install the CodeBlocks IDE. Open the URL codeblocks.org and click on Downloads. Select Download the binary release option from the screen. Select the operating system of your computer, example Windows. Select CodeBlocks 20.03 min-gw-setup.exe. You can select any one of the site to download from FOSSHub or sourceforge.net. For instance, I select from sourceforge.net. Please wait, the download will start automatically. The download size is 145 MB. Right click on the completed download icon. Select Show in folder. Right click on the downloaded file and select Run as administrator for installation. Click on Next in the CodeBlocks setup dialog box. Click on I agree in the license agreement. Before clicking on the Next, please ensure full, that is all plugins, all tools, just everything in the select type of installation. Click on the Install button. If you want, you can change the installation location. After installation, launch CodeBlocks. Select the file association. Yes, associate CodeBlocks with C or C++ file types. Let us code and run a simple program in the CodeBlocks. That is hash include stdio.h, int main, printf hello world, return 0. Save this file and click on Run, Build and Run option. If you don't want to install an IDE and just want to execute and check the code, there are a lot of online C compilers available. Go to Google and type online C compilers. You can select any one from the list and do coding and execute through online mode. Thank you for watching.